Hi everybody, I am going to discuss solution of MCQ solution of computer graphics. Computer graphics 2015. This is for diploma CST 4 Diploma CST 4 Question number 1. Define RGB color model. Every question for 2 marks. RGB color model. RGB full form is full form of RGBs. Full form of RGBs: red, green, and blue. Red, green, blue. It is one of the most widely used color representation. It is one of the most used color representation in computer graphics. There are 3 primary color, that is this is one of the most widely used color representation. There are 3 primary color: red, green, and blue. Each primary color can take an intensity value range from 0, that is lowest, and 1, that is highest. There are 3 primary color: red, green, blue. Each primary color can take intensity value range from 0, that is highest, 0 is the lowest, and 1, that is highest. So every intensity value, that is 0 or 1. RGB model is given below. RGB model is given below. It consists of this. There are 3 axes. One is red. First color is red. Then is second Y is G, and B, this is green. X, Y, Z. So this is 3D view, and the cube diagram is this is the RGB. This is the RGB cube. This is 0, 0, 0. Coordinate is 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 0 mean black. 0, 0, 0 coordinate mean X 0, Y 0, and Z 0 is black. Next, this one is only for red is axis is there. That is X axis there, mean 1, and no Y axis, no Z axis. So 1, 0, 0, that is equal to red. This is 1, 0, 0. This is in the red. This one is RGB, that is 0, 0, only blue is there, that is 0, 0, 1 equal to blue. This color is 0, 1, 0, that is equal to green. In 0, 1, 0, that is equal to green. So these are the color. Now this color is there is X, Y, and Z axis, that is 1, 1, and 1. 1, 1, 1. This point is 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 1 mean white. This color is white. 1, 1, 1. Now this color is in the plot of R and G, meaning 1 and 1 is there, no B is there, that is 1, 1, 0 equal to color is yellow. This color is in the plane of G and B, no red is there, 0, 1, 1. This is equal to cyan color. Cyan mean 011 is cyan, and there is this color is RGB. This is the plot of R and B, mean G is not present here. That is equal to Z101. Green is not there. 101 is magenta. So this is the cube model, cubic RGB color model. It represent this model represent three. These three primary color represent up to 16 million colors. So it represent up to 16 million colors. These are the there are different intensity values. We can represent 60 million colors. So RGB model can represent 16 million color. This is the question number 1. Now the question number 2. Question number 2 is what do you mean by viewport? What do you mean by viewport? What do you mean by viewport? What is viewport? Viewport is the area. Viewport is the area on device coordinate system. Viewport is the area on device coordinate system, where graphics is to be displayed. Where the graphics is to be displayed. It is the device coordinate area. It is a area that help to the screen to be displayed. So viewport is the area on device coordinate system where the graphics is to be displayed. That is, suppose this is a picture of a scenario, and this is suppose the view. This view is this is the world coordinate system. This is world coordinate system, and this view is known as window port. When you click the view on mobile or any other devices, or the computer or mobile, any other devices, then you would get the picture. This one is the picture, and this picture is known as viewport, and this picture is known as viewport. So this is the picture. The viewport is the rectangular area where the picture to be displayed in the device. So window port is the area where what to be displayed, and where is to be displayed is the viewport. So viewport is the area where the picture to be displayed. What is row scanning technique? What is row scanning technique? What is row scanning technique? A scan line is one line or row in a raster scanning algorithm. A scan line is one line or row in a raster scanning algorithm. In raster scanning algorithm, in raster scanning system, the electron beam is swept across the screen, one row at a time. In raster scan system, the electron beam is swept across the screen, one row at a time. So scan line, as the row scanning means scan line technique. A scan line is one line or row in a raster scanning algorithm. In a raster scanning system, the electron beam is swept across the screen, one row at a time. Suppose this is the screen. Now scan line convert from left to right, then again back to left to right, again swept across left to right, one line at a time. Scan one line at a time. And then move to the first position. From the end of the line to back to the first line, second line actually, from the first line to second line, This is moving from the one line to another line is known as horizontal retrace. Is known as horizontal retrace. And from bottom to top, moving the electron beam from bottom to top is known as vertical retrace. Is known as vertical retrace. So this is the raster scan system, and scan line row scanning technique is a scan line technique. One row scan at a time. Question number 5. What is transformation? What is transformation? Transformation means changing some graphics into something else. Transformation means changing some graphics into something else by applying rules. Transformation means changing some graphics into something else by applying rules. Changes in orientation, size and shape are done with geometrical transformation. Why transformation is required? Transformation is required to manipulate the initially created object and to display the modified object without having to redraw it. The changes in orientation, size, shape are done with the geometrical transformation. Transformation is required to manipulate the initially created objects and to display the modified object without having to redraw it. So this is transformation. Now next question is, what is DVST? What is DVST? Full form of DVST is direct view storage tube. So this is one of the technique through which we can generate image on the CRT screen. DVST are used the random scan approach. To generate the image on the CRT screen. So it is used to generate the image on the CRT screen. It is one of the random scan approach. Direct view storage tube. Storage tube referred to the ability of the screen to retain the image to retain the image which has been projected, therefore thus avoiding the need to rewrite the image constantly. So there is a storage capacity, so there is a avoiding situation, that is not to rewrite the image again and again, that is not to rewrite the image constantly. So this is the concept of direct view storage tube. The diagram of DVST is like this. There are primary gun, there are two guns. One is primary gun, another is secondary gun, that is the secondary gun. One is primary gun, another is secondary gun, and there is focusing system, focusing and deflection system. There is a focusing and deflection system. This is the screen, this is the collector which collect the image collector. This is a storage grid, and this is the screen. This is the screen where the picture is displayed. This is the original structure of DVST. It consists of primary gun, secondary gun, and collector, storage grid, screen, and focusing system. Primary gun is used to store the picture pattern. Secondary gun is used to maintain the picture display. There are two guns. So this is the diagram of DVST. Primary gun is used to store the picture. Primary gun is used to store the picture pattern. It is used to store the picture pattern. Secondary gun, that is the secondary gun is used to maintain picture display. So there are two guns. One is primary gun, that is used to store the picture pattern, and the secondary gun that is used to maintain the picture display. There is a focusing and deflection system through which the electron guns are focused towards the collector, that is towards the screen. So this is the technique of DVST. For 2 marks, just write the full form and this is the random scan technique. For the 3 or 4 marks, you can write the pictures or other things. Next question. Full form of PHIGS. Full form of PHIGS. The full form of is programmer hierarchical interactive graphics standard. So full form of PHIGS is P for programmer, H for hierarchical, I for interactive, G for graphics, S for standard. This is the programmer hierarchical interactive graphics standard. It is an application programming interface. It is an application programming interface standard. So this is PHIGS, Programmer Hierarchical Interactive Graphics Standard. Next question. Define aspect ratio. Aspect ratio equal to width versus height. Aspect ratio is width versus height. aspect ratio equals the ratio of vertical by horizontal pixel. Vertical by horizontal pixel. Sometimes it refers to the ratio of horizontal versus vertical, horizontal by vertical pixel. 4:3, you can write 4:3 and 3:4. It is the ratio of pixel, number of pixel in the horizontal direction by vertical direction, or you can write vertical to horizontal direction. The MCQ part. Now the MCQ part, the choice based part. B. Question number 1. The typical aspect ratio of CRT is option A 3:4, option B 4:5, option C 4:3, option 4 5:4. Aspect ratio of CRT, typical aspect ratio of CRT is generally this is 0.8. This typical aspect ratio of CRT is 0.8, that is 4/5, equal 4/5. So 4:5 is the correct answer. There are different displays of aspect ratio. For computer display, this is 5:4. Computer display 5:4. For smartphone HD TV, that is widescreen TV, this is 16:9. This is the aspect ratio of 16:9. There are different aspect ratio depending on the different devices. Computer display 5:4. Generally, it is general aspect ratio is 4:5. Then for the video computer display, computer display, it is 4:3. For the video computer display, it is 4:3. For DSLR, it is 3:2. For DSLR, it is 3:2. So these are the different aspect ratio of different devices. Next, question number 2. The resolution offered by SVGA is option A 1024 into 768, option B 720 into 640, option C 640 into 360, option D 1280 into 1024. So right answer is this for SVGA is for 1280 into 1024. The right answer, option D is the right answer. Question number 3. The CAD stand for option A computer aided design, option A, option B computer aided drawing, option C computer aided drafting, option D computer aided data. And the correct answer is computer aided design, CAD. This is mainly used for AutoCAD, that is mainly used to design mechanical drawing or other devices. Next, question number 4. Which of the following transmits the digital signal? Which of the following transmit the digital signal to the computer? Which of the following transmit digital signal to the computer? Option A, scanner. Option B, digitizer. Option C, mouse. Option D, joystick. Correct answer is scanner. Next question number 5. A scanner is specified. The scanner is specified by option A, vertical and horizontal resolution. Option A. Option B, dot per inch. It can scan. Option C, length of paper. It can scan. Option D, rate of scanning. Answer is vertical and horizontal resolution. So scanner is specified by vertical and horizontal resolution. This is the question number 5. Question number 6. The resolution of a printer. The resolution of a printer is 1200 dpi. Then the number of dot per square inch is, resolution is 1200 dpi, dot per inch, and the number of dots per square inch is option A 1200, option B 2400, option C 1200 into 1200, option D 144000. Answer is 1200 into 1200. This is the resolution per square inch. Next, what technology is used for flat panel display? What technology is used for? Option A, CRT, cathode tube. Option B, RGB. Option C, DVST. Option D, solid state. For flat panel display, we use solid state. Answer is solid state. Next, question number 8. Pixel stand for. Option A, picture element. Option A, picture element. Option B, digital element. Option B, digital element. Option C, raster image. Option D, random image. Pixel is mainly used for picture element. Full form of pixel is picture element. Pixel element. This is picture element is the right choice. Question number 9. Bitmap images are also known as option A, digital image. Option B, digital picture. Option C, raster image. Option D, random image. Answer is that is the raster image. Bitmap image is also known as raster image. And then the last question, question number 10. The amount of time the phosphor light or shine is controlled by chemical composition of phosphor is known as, the amount of time is known as option A, persistence. Yes, persistence is the right answer. Option B, resistance. No, Option C, geometry. Option D, storage system. No, persistence is the right answer. It is the time the phosphorite or sign is controlled by chemical composition of phosphorus. Is known as persistence. It is the amount of time. So this is the end of the 2015 short question as well as MCQ of Diploma Computer Science and Technology from the subject of computer graphics. In the coming video, I will discuss 2016, 2017 and 2018 graphics questions. Keep updated and keep studying. Thank you.